Hey guys, you're welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for coming back, and if you're new here, you're also welcome. Today I'll be showing you two easy ways to use rice water for healthy hair, healthy scalp, and also to promote hair growth. So this is what you need for this video. I've got my rice here. So this is the rice I'll be using for the two method I'll be showing you, and you will also be needing a jar. I've got two jars as well, and then some essential oil, which is optional. So first thing is to rinse out the rice. The reason we're rinsing it out is because when rice is being packaged, there's always preservative, some chemicals just to preserve the rice, which is what we're trying to take out. I'm gonna be rinsing this twice, so I'm not really washing the rice. I'm not like rubbing it to take out anything. I'm just rinsing it out, like I said, which will actually do the job in taking out the chemicals. And then once I have done that, I will go ahead and show you the first method. Rice is very essential for the hair because our hair is all about the protein, and not just the protein but the balance of it. It needs to have a balance, so you don't want less of it, and at the same time you don't want too much of it. So you just want the protein in your hair to be balanced, and this is what rice water help you to do. And also protein treatment helps you with that, which I have a video on my channel I just posted, and I'll link it in the description box. You can check it out. So here is the first method. So our washed rice, will be transferring half of it into a jar, and depending on how big your jar is, there's really no measurement to this. All we need is the water. You just need enough water to saturate your hair. So you could do this in a small jar, in a big jar, as long as the water is enough for you. That is absolutely fine. This is the easiest method of the two because this is really easy. Once you put your rice in the jar, you just add some water, and then you go ahead and cover it. We're going to leave this for an hour to 2 hours, nothing more than that, because this is a leave-in, so you don't want the water to be too concentrated with protein, which is why we're not going to leave it for too long. So I left mine for an hour and a half, and then I went ahead. So this is what it looks like after an hour and a half. You can see the rice has turned white, which means it has soaked, and it has absorbed some of the nutrients. So we will now we'll now sieve out the water to take what we need. I will also be transferring it into a spray bottle because that's what I'll be using to spray this on my hair. So you can use this on your hair on a daily basis, which is why we're not allowing it to be too concentrated with protein, because it's gonna stay in your hair. We're not rinsing it out. I am also diluting it with extra water because, like I said, it's a leave-in. You don't want too much protein on your hair, so it needs to be as light as possible. So with this now, you can use it on your hair as a spray bottle, so you could use this every day. So I'm sorry guys, because when I was editing this, I realized I lost some of the footage where I was showing you how I sprayed the water, the rice water on my hair. But basically you could just spray it on either, if your hair is not even if your hair is braided, you could use this on a daily. Just spray the way you would use your spray bottle, and you're good to go. So the second method is for a rice rinse. So this is slightly different from the first one. What we're going to do now is to wash our rice. So I'm going to be using the palms of my hands, I'm going to be using my palms to rub the rice until the water starts to look white. The moment you see the water looking white, you know that you have been able to take out a lot of the nutrients and the vitamins from the rice, because that's what we're trying to do here. And the reason it is safe for us to do this, because we're only doing a rinse with this one, which means after applying this, we're still going to rinse it out, unlike the other method where we're leaving the water in our hair, which is why we didn't want it to be too concentrated. So I'm just rubbing it until I see the water looking white, and then I will know it's ready. So rice is really good for our hair. Like I said, it's all about the protein. Our hair loves the protein, but not so much of it. So what protein does is, or when you do a protein treatment, it basically just helps you find that protein balance, so the natural protein balance in your hair. Sometimes when you see your hair having split ends, or your hair is damaged, or your hair is generally not looking healthy, it basically means, I think, the protein level of your hair is altered, so it's not balance. So what this such treatment does to you is it helps you regain that balance back. So protein treatment, which I said I have a video, I'll link it or put it somewhere on the screen, you can check it out, helps. Rice water also helps with that, so it will repair your split ends, it will help repair your damaged hair. And also when it comes to the growth, the moment you're being able to retain length, you will see the growth of your hair. So even if this treatment is working and your hair is breaking, you will not see that result. It means your hair is growing but it's breaking at the same time, it's shedding, so you can't see the progress that your hair is making. So basically rice water will help repair your hair, so it makes manipulation of your hair even really easy. It makes your hair really soft, which is what I have noticed with using rice water. So this is really essential for the hair. How you will use this second method is after you've done your conditioning and your shampooing. What you will do is after you've rinsed everything out, you will now use this rice water that we have made. I left mine for just 24 hours. You can leave it longer, but honestly you don't even need to leave it longer. 24 hours is more than enough. So you will use it to rinse your hair, and then you will use a shower cap, just cover it and leave it for half an hour, highest 45 minutes, and then you rinse it out, and that's it. It's pretty much straightforward. It's nothing difficult. I am now adding my essential oil, which is actually not important, so you can skip this part if you want. So guys, I hope you like this two method I've shown you. I would like to know which you prefer. Please leave me a comment telling me which of the method you prefer. And also I will advise you try to incorporate rice, either rice water, rice milk, rice conditioning into your hair regimen. Your hair will absolutely love it. I have a couple of videos on rice, using rice on your hair coming up, so please subscribe if you haven't done that, and please give this video a thumbs up if you liked the video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next one. Bye.